Good morning. Today is World Rabies Day, which is celebrated all across the globe on 20th September every year. And the purpose of celebration of World Rabies Day is to see that we bring in awareness amongst the people and pet animal owners, the importance of rabies and its consequences. I am Captain G. Dhananjay Rao, Professor of Surgery from Khalsa College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Amritsar, Punjab. What is rabies? Rabies virus is a strictly neurotropic virus that slowly propagates in the nervous system of the infected host from the site of entry, that is from the point of bite, and to the exit, that is salivary glands. The rabies is recorded as way back as AD 1224. The history of rabies is described as a disease in 2300 BC. The origin rabas means to do violence, which comes from the word Sanskrit dated back to 3000 BC. Since Roman times, man established the link between the infectivity of rabid dogs' saliva and the spread of the disease. Because there is no cure for rabies, usually those days the bitten men used to commit suicide to avoid the painful death. Rabies, from the Latin word to rage, has been recognized as well as 4,000 years ago. In 16th century, an Italian scientist, Girolamo, discovered that rabies is a fatal disease affecting humans as well as animals, calling it as an incurable wound. Rabies can affect any mammal. The affected animals spread the virus to animals through their saliva. We get the disease when we are bitten, scratched, or licked by an animal that is having rabies. Rabies is caused by a virus, a deadly disease. Almost all who get the disease die. There is no cure for the disease even today, but it is always preventable through a vaccine. The scientific name, the family of the rabies is Rhabdoviridae, and the genus is Risavirus, species being the rabies virus, which is a bullet-shaped and measuring about 180 nanometer long and 75 nanometer wide. The incidence of rabies in India has the highest incidence of rabies amongst the world, that is 36% of the rabies deaths. 96% of the human rabies are due to dog bite, out of which 11% are due to pet dogs. The rest 4% due to wild animals or jackals, cats, monkeys, mongoose, etc. And unfortunately, for the last 10 years, the human death figure is always constant. In army, 1 death per 6 lakh soldiers are being recorded. Death in the animals are data not available. Death of 1 cattle per lakh cattle is recorded. For every 1,000 deaths, 1.3 deaths were due to rabies. Rabies, the WHO has targeted 2030 to be zero rabies day. 99% of the human cases result from dog bites. 1 death every minute in the worldwide. 4 out of 10 deaths are in children. The rabies disease, 100% vaccine preventable, no bite, no rabies. The vectors of rabies virus that transmit to humans are bats, raccoons, skunks, coyote, and any mammal is capable of hosting and spreading the disease. These are the animals worldwide across which continue to pass on rabies to human beings. In India, one can get rabies from these animals. The most common being the dog, cat. In India, humans get rabies usually 90% of the cases through dogs and 3 to 5% from cats. India carries the highest rabies disease burden. Estimated 30,000 human rabies deaths per year, the principal reservoir of the disease being the dog. No surveillance system of rabies cases, lack of reliable data. The estimated 27 million dogs, although the number of stray dogs is unknown. 70.4 million dog bites are annually recorded. India has around 27 million dogs, that is dog to human ratio being 1:40. Stray dog population is about 80%. The incidence of annual bite being 17.5 million per year, and amongst that 66% are children which are recorded. Every 4 seconds, a man is bitten by a dog. Every half an hour, a man dies of rabies. More than 60,000 human deaths are recorded across the world. 40% of the people bitten by the dogs do not go for treatment. Most rabies deaths are in males, that is about 62%, and in rural areas, it's about 91%. And children below the age of 15 years are 50%. The overall rabies mortality rate is 1.1 death per 1 lakh. 1/3 of the national rabies deaths were found in Uttar Pradesh, and nearly 3/4 were in 7 central and southeastern states: Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, and Madhya Pradesh. No rabies deaths were reported in a study in the following states: Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Sikkim, Mizoram, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Chandigarh, Dadra, and Daman. Human to human rabies is very rare. The only documented cases of rabies caused by human to human transmission occurred among 8 recipients of transplanted corneas and 3 recipients of solid organs. However, studies done with dogs suggest that the week before the onset of illness symptoms should be considered as the beginning of the communicable period. Symptoms in man. Rabies may begin with a fever, headache, general feeling of illness. Most people become restless, confused, and uncontrollably excited. Their behavior may be bizarre. They may hallucinate and have insomnia. Saliva production greatly increases. Spasms of the muscles in the throat and larynx occur because rabies affects the area in the brain that controls swallowing, speaking, and breathing. The spasms can be excruciatingly painful. A slight breeze or an attempt to drink water can trigger the spasms. Thus, people with rabies cannot drink. For this reason, disease is called hydrophobia, that is fear for water. As the disease spreads through the brain, people become more confused and agitated. Eventually, coma and death results. Pathogenesis. Bite transmission. Human infection by rabies virus usually occurs as a result of transdermal bite from an infected wild or domestic animal. Non-bite transmission: scratches from a rabid animal, saliva from a rabid animal comes into contact with the victim's mucous membrane, or fresh skin lesions. Rare cases have been reported via inhalation, human-to-human transmission through transplantation. The clinical rabies in humans. 2 forms of rabies are distinguished: furious and paralytic. Furious 75 to 80%. Encephalitic 3/4 of all cases. Rabies transmitted from dog is usually furious. Paralytic 20 to 25%. Dumb form 1/4 of all the cases. The clinical presentation will be these symptoms: non-specific, malaise, fever, headache. Paresthesia, pain, and abnormal feelings at the wound site are common. Acute neurologic disease includes throat spasms, inability to swallow, anxiety, confusion, hallucinations. Hydrophobia, ascending paralysis, coma, and death. Rabies in children. Due to their short stature, children are susceptible to bite on face, scalp, upper part of the body. Children are more susceptible to animal bites by playing in open grounds or in streets. Children cannot ward off animals easily. Children are more likely to provoke animals. Children might not report a bite or scratch. 40 to 60% of the animal bite cases are reported to occur in children less than 15 years of age. How does the rabies virus travel from wound to brain? Virus enters the tissue from the saliva of the biting animal. Virus replicates in muscle near the bite. Then the virus moves up peripheral nervous system to CNS in the spinal cord. Virus ascends to spinal cord. Virus reaches the brain and causes fatal encephalitis, and they enters salivary glands and other organs of the victims. The clinical stages in human rabies are exposure, first clinical signs, first neurological signs, onset of coma, death. The clinical stage includes incubation period, that is 20 to 90 days, prodromal phase, that is 2 to 10 days, acute neurological phase 2 to 7 days, coma 0 to 14 days. And generally, from the onset of the symptoms, the animal or man has to die within 2 weeks. Jenna JC is being heralded as the first person known to have survived the virus without receiving a preventive vaccine. Rabies clinical manifestations. Most cases are males less than 15 years. There are 4 phases of illness. First phase, asymptomatic. The virus incubation period is 10 to 19 days. The second prodromal phase, 2 to 10 days. Virus invasion of CNS. Respiratory symptoms, gastrointestinal symptoms, behavioral and emotional symptoms, local pain, itching, numbness. Third phase, neurological signs, widespread infection of the brain, the furious form, hyperactive form, aggressiveness, biting, yelling, hallucinating, triggered by sensory stimuli, hydrophobia, aerophobia, violent diaphragmatic contractions, hyperreflexia, cholinergic manifestations, lacrimation, salivation, mydriasis, pyrexia. The non-classical rabies clinical manifestations are most commonly after bat exposure. Bat rabies is different from that of dog rabies. The third phase, neurological signs, paralytic form, 20% of patients, flaccid paralysis and paresis. Inflammation is more extensive and severe. Spinal cord markedly involved. The non-classic rabies clinical manifestations are neuropathic pain, radicular pain, objective sensory and motor deficits. The choreiform movements of the bitten limb during prodromal phase. Focal brain stem signs, myoclonus, seizures and ataxia. Ocular myoclonus, hemichoria, nocturnal agitation, repeated spontaneous ejaculation, paraparesis, facial weakness, bilateral arm weakness, seizures, ataxia. The rabies clinical manifestations, both forms, generally are fever, rigidity, paresthesia, fasciculations, convulsions, hypersalivation, and hyperventilation. The fourth phase starts with coma, extensive cortical virus spread, death usually in 7 days, respiratory arrest, and myocarditis. In rabies coma, inspiratory spasms, sinus tachycardia, supraventricular and ventricular arrhythmias, reduced ejection fraction in all cases, main cause of death being circulatory collapse, hematemesis in 30 to 60% of patients 6 to 12 hours before death. The mortality depends on severity of the injury, bleeding, location of the wound, face, head, neck, hand, short incubation period, virus concentration in saliva. Rabies mortality of untreated bite by rabid dog 38 to 57%. The frequently missed are lab tests are non-diagnostic, CSF analysis normal in 1/3 of the patients in the first week of illness, viral meningoencephalitis, EEG and head CT may be normal in early illness. MRI is abnormal, ill-defined, increased signal intensity on T2 images. Areas involved are brainstem, hippocampus, hypothalamus, deep and subcortical, white and gray matter. Viral culture, skin biopsy of the hair follicles at nape of the neck, virus culture of the saliva, CSF, urine, respiratory secretions, culture in mice or in mouse, neuroblastoma cell line, sensitivity 50 to 94%, specificity is 100%. The brain tissue, culture, histology for Negri bodies, immunohistochemistry on tissue, brain tissue, immunostain. The diagnosis includes rabies-specific antibodies in serum or CSF. Rapid fluorescent foci inhibition test. The WHO guidelines indicates a rabies antibody level of greater than or equal to 0.5 international units per ml demonstrates an adequate response to vaccination. Serology positive in CSF in 13 days of symptoms. Rabies vaccine does not cause positive CSF in antibodies. Molecular studies, monoclonal antibodies in epidemiological studies. Meningitis, encephalitis, Japanese Eastern Equine, West Nile virus, enterovirus or differential diagnosis. Epilepsy, drug toxicity, acute hepatic porphyria, substance abuse, acute serotonin syndrome. The WHO categorizes the schedule for post-exposure prophylaxis, category 1, 2, 3. The prevention of human rabies includes 5 important things. No witchcraft. The only thing is to wash the wound thoroughly with plenty of water and soap in a running water. Apply an antiseptic, preferably tincture iodine or povidone iodine or even alcohol. Do not cover or suture the wound. vaccinate immediately. The rabies vaccines. Rabies is 100% vaccine preventable. Vaccinate to save lives, vaccinate to stop transmission. The definition of rabies vaccine is a suspension of suitable strain of fixed rabies virus grown in suitable approved cell culture and inactivated by a suitable method. The vaccine is prepared immediately before use by reconstitution from the dried vaccine with a suitable sterile liquid. In 1885, Louis Pasteur developed the first rabies vaccine infected rabbit spinal cord partially inactivated by the desiccation. Simple vaccine. Sir David Semple improved Pasteur treatment. Inactivated virus using formalin phenol. Infected adult rabbit sheep or goat brain tissue. Reactogenic, poorly immunogenic, up to 23 daily injections. Duck embryo vaccine, modern cell culture vaccines are some of the vaccines that have been introduced. Joseph Lister, a 9-year-old boy severely bitten by a rabid dog, was treated by Louis Pasteur on July 6, 1885, and was administered 14 injections, and he has recovered and joined as a janitor in the Pasteur Institute. The World Health Organization strongly recommends phasing out nerve tissue vaccine worldwide and replacing with modern tissue culture vaccine. The currently produced rabies vaccines are human diploid vaccine, purified vero cell rabies vaccine. These are the available rabies vaccines in India. Rabies vaccine human, Virbac, Rabivax, Novivac rabies, and Raksha-Rab, Abhaya-Rab, Indi-Rab rabies vaccine, that is Rab-Avat. Currently produced rabies vaccines are also purified chick embryo cell culture vaccine, second generation cell culture rabies vaccine prepared in primary chick embryo cells using furry LEP strain of fixed rabies virus, good immunogenicity and tolerability, high purity and potency. Recommendations for prevention of human rabies, wound treatment, vaccine administration, RIG administration. The intramuscular regimen is 5-dose intramuscular regimen, that is SN regimen 0, 3, 7, 14, and 28. From the day of dog bite, it is administered. The Zagreb regimen is not followed in India. Rabies immunoglobulins. Rabies immunoglobulins are special neutralizing antibodies, immediately neutralizes the virus on contact. Rabies immunoglobulin gives a coating to the virus so that it cannot enter the nerve ending, resulting in reduction of or total obliteration of inoculated virus. These are the immunoglobulin injections available in India. Following intramuscular administration, rabies immunoglobulin provides immediate passive antibodies for a short period, that is up to 21 days. Thereafter, the immunogenicity has to be taken over by the anti-rabies injection. RIG needs to be administered to all category 3 wounds around the wound as early as possible, if not later than 7 days. The dose being 20 international units per kg for human RIG or 40 international units of ERIG. Summary. Rabies is a viral zoonosis that is transmitted from animals to humans. Human infection usually occurs as a result of transdermal bite or scratch from an infected animal. Dogs are the principal vector causing transmission of rabies to humans in Africa, Asia, and parts of Latin America. There is no blueprint in India to control rabies, and there is no data about stray or community dogs across the country. And all the animal birth control programs and vaccination programs in a haphazard manner, except by Blue Cross of Hyderabad, which has done an excellent planned program in controlling and containing the anti-rabies in Hyderabad. And to some extent, the Bengaluru municipality was able to contain to some extent about 4 or 5 years back, and it has been shelved now. There are 2 active immunization strategies available to prevent rabies in humans: pre-exposure vaccination that protects against potential exposure to rabies, particularly vulnerable children. Post-exposure prophylaxis is administered following contact with the suspected or confirmed rabid animal. The WHO and CDC provides guidelines for both strategies. PCECV is purified chick embryo culture rabies vaccine, which provides active immunization and protection. Rabies-free countries are Australia, New Zealand, Taiwan, Cyprus, Ireland, Japan, UK, islands of Western Pacific, Iberian Peninsula, Finland, Norway, Sweden, Andaman, and Lakshadweep. Thank you very much.